Hi friends, welcome to Garden a Beautiful Life. So we are back again with another video of a DIY organic fertilizer using pomegranate peels. Yes, so pomegranate peels are very rich in calcium and potassium, and it has also traces of other minerals. So pomegranate peels can also be used as an organic fertilizer for your fruit setting and flowering plants. In this video, we are going to share a method how can you use pomegranate peels for your plants. So stay tuned. So I have taken these pomegranate peels and I have dipped them in water. You can take around 200 to 300 grams of pomegranate peel and dip them in like half liter of water. That would be the quantity, and make sure that the pomegranate peels are soaked in water. I have taken an aluminium vessel. You can even take a plastic or a glass bowl. You have to keep this for around 24 hours like that, and then you have to just strain the water. So I will just keep this for 24 hours like this. So this is our mixture after 24 hours. You could see that I have strained the liquid from that vessel to this glass bowl. The pomegranate peel water has abundant of potassium and calcium in it, which is very good for our flowering and fruit setting plants. Basically, potassium and calcium helps to strengthen the roots and the fruit and the flowers of our plant. So if you give this mixture to your flowering, fruit setting or even foliage plants, you will see a very healthy growth in your plants, and there will be a lot of buds and fruit setting in your plants will be coming up. So now I would tell you how can you use this mixture. You can just little dilute this mixture by adding 100 to 200 ml of water in it, and then it is ready to use. You can even use this mixture concentrated, there is no harm, but if you are using it in a concentrated form, then you have to remember that you have to use the less quantity of pomegranate peel water. But if you are using it in little more quantity, so you can use the diluted form. And now you can give this mixture in like 10 to 15 days for your plants. I would not recommend you to give it daily. Some people also ask that can we use these organic fertilizers daily for my plants, but I would say no, because too much of everything is not good. So use it in like 10 to 15 days for your plants. So this is my mint plant which I have planted like few days back, and it is growing really healthy. You can see that. See, you could see the growth here. And I have been using this pomegranate peel water in my mint plant, and the growth is really fast. So in like 10 to 15 days you can use it in any of your plants. Say it like your foliage plants, your fruit setting plants, or your flowering plants. So my mint is growing really healthy because of this fertilizer. I only use pomegranate peel fertilizer in my mint plant, and also sometimes I also use banana peel fertilizer. So I'll just give the link in the description box. I have also made one video for banana peel fertilizer also. So you can use these mixtures for all your plants, and they will definitely do wonders for your plants, I bet, because they have been giving me great results. So you just try this at your home and do let me know if it works for you. And I also use this for my other plants also. So this is my capsicum plant, and I have been using for this, and here the bud formation has already started. You could see the buds which are coming up here, and it is also very good for both bud development and root development. So you could see the buds coming in my capsicum plant. So thanks to pomegranate peel fertilizer, because it has abundant of calcium and potassium, so it helps in the fruit formation and also in the root development of the plants. So basically I have tried this for all my plants, but it has worked tremendously for both mint and capsicum. Do try this fertilizer for all your vegetable plants and all your foliage plants, and do let me know in the comment section how it has worked for you.